Ethereum, the world's first programmable blockchain, founded in 2015 by Vitalik Buterin, along 7 others. It was later described as a digital oil by the biggest bank in the world. So what's the story behind Ethereum? You see, Ethereum acts as an operating system that allows developers to build applications on top of it. Except, since it's a blockchain, then the apps has to be decentralized, which means the laws and the terms are pre-written in the code like a contract, a smart contract. The people who validate those transactions receive the transaction fees paid by the user. That's called gas fees. It can get quite expensive as the network gets busy, considering Ethereum can only process limited amount of transactions per second, which is why we have different blockchains. I mean, we have Solana, BNB, Algorand, or even Near. We even have layer 2 blockchains serving as a bridge to scale the Ethereum network so it can run faster.